We will protect you, EFCC boss Olukayode says as he urges Nigerians to embrace whistleblowing. It is in detail, please. The chairman of the EFCC, Mr. Olukayode, has urged Nigerians to show commitment to the fight against corruption by fully embracing the demands of the whistleblowing policy of the government. Speaking at an event in Abuja on Thursday, July 11, 2024, the EFCC boss said, aside terrorism, corruption ranks as the next deadliest affliction of humanity in every region of the world. In view of the danger and to our existence which corruption represents, it is imperative that individuals, communities, corporate bodies, and indeed the whole world join hands together to tackle it frontally. One way of doing this is through whistleblowing initiative. We cannot win the war against corruption through lip service, emotional outbursts, or mere mob campaigns. There is need for commitment, passion, consistency, and credibility of intelligence. Every whistleblower must point towards truth and evidential proofs. Well, let me what's it called? Let me say this, my dear. At this point, I don't know what to say. Making I not believe these people. Sincerely, I don't know whether I go say I don't believe these people because now you go. If you go blow whistle for EFCC, if the person where you blow whistle can't know them uncle. But the cocoa now be say make I even come out eye for that one first. The case where they find a hand, I don't even send them to jail. The money where they thief uncle. No, at the end of the day, the person will come outside. How you won't use this safe? If now broad people tell us this one of this FBI detective, you're gonna say yes, okay, these people then go train and truly throw this person inside prison, go they safe. But this one, now you go blow whistle, when they reach there, EFCC go tell them say, see who blow the whistle for you. Then go do waiting, EFCC go release them. Go just give them amount of money, then go pay, come outside, you will come there in danger. Now you, they will come put disorganize your life. You come down the run. You will say they live quiet life before. My brother, quietness go dey far from you. Safety go dey far from you. I beg, see, make EFCC no even start. This person say, we no get to work, man. Now whistle, now, so that another thief will come and exchange from the OT. Yes, even you will blow the whistle, my dear. They go carry you, pay EFCC money. That crime where you blow, that's you will blow the whistle to one carry, now you go replace that person. Don't listen to these people, though. The people were there with them, what you don't use them to. You don't hear any politician go as in if they say 5 years, go spend 5 years. Highest is there, and they say you hear them spend like 3 months, 6 months, you know. Never made them deal like this, serve their full tenure. You know they happen. You know they happen at all. They no fit do them. You all need to be wiped out on this earthly realm by God, so that we will have rest of mind on these breathing chances from A to Z. You want me go come be that too? You want me war end? From 1999 till date, the most governors and key ministers whom their case files are there with you. What have you done with them, my dear? Help me ask. And you are looking for one to inform you that steal government's money. You're not competent enough to handle that seat. I'm sorry, you. He's not just see. Both people don't did it before. Nothing. The corruption cases already on your table. How many have you prosecuted to a logical conclusion? Nothing. You just hear that this person, okay, see Yaya Bello's case. Don't be certain they use them to play around. May go blow whistle for person will be saying no EFCC. May go blow whistle for person will be saying I will get to EFCC. May they can't use you replace. I beg. Yes, I'm not saying we are not supposed to, but the government can never see this. You are going to be safe. You are going to be protected. Irani gbogbo. You blow the whistle. Blowing your whistle is not the problem. Is that going to be protected? Because they don't persecute these people. Had they been say them blow whistle now, EFCC go check, after them check the person they guilty as charged. Waiting go happen go be say the person go 15 years. Not 15 years of your life, they safe. Or 30 years. Kenneth Klotuku. What is your own dear? You can now live in peace. But this one, even 6 months back, they will not even waiting be that. Make the person come as I come here say na your family, now you do this one. Or the person don't even need to come outside. All they need to not to make her come make your life very miserable. I beg. Let us look inward first. See corruption amongst our leaders first and tackle it. If our leaders are honest, then the followers will do the same. Corruption is all over Aso Villa, state capitals, government houses, offices, minister. Does it mean you are not saying them? No. The define person going to replace person who commit crime. Now we say they define. Let's see what they tell me. Oga Pastor, what corruption do you want to fight when you are the government that pays? When you are the government that pays you is the seat of corruption, nobody will take you any serious. All the people you caught for corruption, what did you do with their loot? EFCC has recovered billions upon billions of dollars from looters. Yet, we did not see the impacts on Nigerians who will now committed to whistleblowing when the EFCC Commission do not show transparency and accountability to Nigerian masses. Can you protect yourself? Talk more of another person, my dear. Help me read them. Sir, what are you waiting for? After making promise that you shall quit your job if you fail to bring Yaya Bello to justice. May they remind you, may it say people they don't forget. You know, sincere. But you know the big cockroaches now. Why can't you start from there first? Okay, those politicians you confirm that billions of state money is at their hand. Have you probed them? The fine person where you go blow bisu for. Where you go use to exchange. Well, we protect you, not be by mouth. Who have you protected? Nonetheless, there used to be a time whistleblowing was productive, but that was okay. But with the current state of 98% corruption into this climb, things change. Yes, so you won't blow whistle for. We know who won't blow the whistle for. You could just enter one chance. Alright, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest.